if you want to install the iPhone theme on OnePlus 15, you can, for example, open the Play Store. And then over here, if we tap on search, we can easily search for iPhone theme or something like that. So let's type iPhone theme or iPhone launcher, something like that works. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps, a bunch of different launchers that we can use on our OnePlus 15. And in this case, we can select any of them and we can install them in order to set them up on our phone. In my case, I'm gonna use this one specifically, and I'm gonna show you how to install this one, how to set it up. But what is of course quite important is that if you have some issues or troubles with this one, with this specific launcher, then of course you can try any other installer, any other launcher I mean, that we have in the Play Store. So let's open it. Let's open the launcher and let me show you how to set it up. It is really easy. In this case, we don't have to grant the permission to location, but I'm gonna grant actually access to everything else. We also have some different settings that we can go through for the launcher, so you can adjust the launcher quite a bit. And I can also set the launcher as the default one. Of course, you might find some ads in the meantime, which is quite standard because, of course, the launcher is generally free, so we can expect ads if we use the settings of the launcher. But there we go, we can close it. Now I'm gonna tap OK. We're gonna switch to the settings of the default home app, so we need to switch to the iOS launcher. Now this blur effect message appears pretty much every time on every smartphone, so we can just tap on never over here. We have the welcome message, our wallpaper has been changed, and now as you can see we have this iOS theme on our OnePlus 15. We can also go to the app library, I believe. Yeah, there we go. So you should be able to easily use the iOS launcher theme on your OnePlus 15. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.